Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the monohalogen derivative. In the last lecture we discussed about the halogen derivative, introduction, some basic terms and classification of the halogen derivative. Today we are going to discuss about the in detail monohalogen derivative. So firstly we see the definition. What is the monohalogen derivative? When we replace one hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon by one halogen atom, then the compounds obtained are called as monohalogen derivative. So now we see the classification of monohalogen compound or monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen compounds or monohalogen derivative are further classified on the basis of two things. First is the position of halogen atom and second is the type of hybridization of carbon atom to which halogen atom is bonded. These 2 points are the basis of classification of for the classification of monohalogen derivative or monohalogen compound. Here the diagram is shown. In this chart there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types of the monohalogen compound. First is the alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is also called as haloalkane. Second is the allylic halide. Third is the benzylic halide. Fourth is the vinylic halide. Vinylic halide is also called as haloalkene. Next is the haloalkyne and next is the haloarine. Haloarine is also called as aryl halide. There are 6 types of the monohalogen compound or monohalogen derivative. Now we see one by one. First is the alkyl halide or haloalkane. Alkyl halide or haloalkane. This type is also we have discussed in the 11th class. What is the alkyl halide? In alkyl halide, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, as hybridization is also explained in detail in the 11th class syllabus. In alkyl halide, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon, which is part of the saturated carbon skeleton. Saturated means it must contain carbon-carbon single bond, so its name is haloalkane. Here sp3 hybridized carbon atom play important role. As we have seen earlier that the classification mainly based on the two things. First is the position of halogen atom and second is the type of hybridization of carbon atom. These two things play important role on the types. So in alkyl halide, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is the part of saturated carbon skeleton. Alkyl halide, there are 3 types of alkyl halide. It may be primary, secondary or tertiary depending upon the type of carbon atom to which halogen atom is bonded. Now we see the example. In this, R stands for the alkyl group, X for the halogen atom, and this is 1 degree means primary carbon. In this compound, the halogen atom is bonded to primary carbon, and primary carbon means the carbon atom which is bonded to primary first carbon only. So this is the primary carbon, and the halogen atom is bonded to primary carbon, so it is primary halide and denoted by 1 degree. In this example, the halogen atom is bonded to secondary carbon 2 degree. Secondary carbon means the carbon which is bonded to 2 other carbon atom. R stands for the alkyl group. They may be same or different alkyl group. So this is secondary halide. And in the third example, this is the tertiary halide, because this carbon is bonded to 1, 2, 3 other carbon atom, and the halogen atom is bonded to tertiary carbon, so it is tertiary halide. So there are 3 types of alkyl halide: primary, secondary and tertiary. Now we see the next example. Next is the allylic halide. Allylic halide. In allylic halide, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon, which is next to carbon-carbon double bond. Now see in this example, this halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is next to carbon-carbon double bond. In this example also, this is the carbon atom, this is the halogen atom, and this halogen atom is bonded to sp3. This carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is next to carbon-carbon double bond. Next type is the benzylic halide. As it is benzylic halide, it must contain benzene ring in their structure. In the benzylic halide, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is further bonded to aromatic ring. This is the halogen atom. This halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and this sp3 hybridized carbon atom is bonded to aromatic ring. So it is benzylic halide. Next is the haloalkene or vinylic halide. In the vinylic halide, As it contains alkene, so it must contain carbon-carbon double bond. In the vinylic halide, halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic chain or aromatic ring. In this compound, the halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of aliphatic chain. This carbon is sp2 hybridized. Next is the haloalkyne. As it is haloalkyne, it must contain carbon-carbon triple bond. When halogen atom is bonded to sp hybridized carbon atom, then it is haloalkyne. In this, sp hybridized carbon atom play important role. Now next and last type is aryl halide or haloarine. Aryl halide or haloarine. As we have seen that arenes are the aromatic compound. In aryl halide, halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the aromatic ring. In this compound, the halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. This is the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the aromatic ring.